Okay, so we'll talk about the radial array this time. So, for instance, here I have a setup with a locator, and inside it I have this mesh as a child, and we have also another child linked to this item. So if, for instance, here we have 90 degrees on this element, and we have this center position in between those 2 points, I will use the radial array using the x-axis on the local mode, and I will do this at the item level, so it will duplicate this 4 times with instances using the local center. Okay, so you can do this way, and you can also do this with the polygon mode. So for instance, here I'm in polygon mode, I have nothing selected, and I will do this again another time, but now with the local mode with the merge vertices enabled. So here what is great is that it creates the connections and merge the vertices that were joining in those areas. So what is interesting also is that, as you can see, for instance, if you use the item mode, it will preserve the child's duplications. So here, for instance, we will duplicate this maybe. Okay, so I will select this object, and this object is the child of this one, right? So I will use the relative to parent mode, where I will use this center over here to duplicate this element. So I can use Ctrl-Alt-M, go to radial array, select the parent relative mode with the instance, and I will do this over the x-axis, and we will do this 16 times. So as you can see, you can duplicate those elements really easily, and it's respecting the position, I mean the center of this element. I will also duplicate this one, radial array, local mode, local on the X 4 times, and you see it perfectly match the other elements. So you have this way, and you have also the possibility to duplicate those relative to the parent. Also for this one, it can be interesting to use this mode. So relative to parent on the X 4 times, and now we have this shape already set up. It's really simple this way. So those are selectable from those menus. Over here we have the local and the parent relative with clone mode, if you prefer, replicas or instances. You have also a world mode. So here, for instance, I will select this local locator, or maybe just get this out of the hierarchy, and I will just do this onto this element. I will revolve and array this one using the z-axis over here in the world space. So I will use the radial array, world mode, select the world mode with the z-axis, and I will duplicate this 12 times. It's really simple. As you can see, it's really handy to manipulate and array things with this MIFABOMA kit. Hope you enjoyed this video.